Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're checking out a tire inflator that's quite different from most inflators in the market, because this one can run on both your car's 12-volt socket and a regular 220-volt home power outlet. Yes, AC and DC. So the big question is this the ultimate all-in-one tire inflator? Well, let's find out. This is the Agaro digital tire inflator. It comes with 120 watt motor and can inflate up to 150 psi. It's portable, compact and comes with 1 year warranty. On the box, you'll also find the model number and a QR code for warranty registration. Now looking at the side of the box, we can see some of the key features. You get a 4-meter long cable, a built-in LED light, 12-volt DC operation and the standout feature 220-volt AC operation. You also get a digital LCD display with pressure readings in pounds per square inch, kilopascal, bar and kg per centimeter square. Alright, let's unbox it. Opening the box, we have the AC power cable. It looks a bit short, but that's fairly typical for these devices. Let's keep this aside. Next is a 12-volt DC cable that plugs into your car's cigarette lighter socket. This is about 4 meters long. Then we have a carry bag. The quality is decent, nothing premium, but it should do the job. Next up is the inflator itself. Let's keep that aside for a moment and see what else we have. Inside this small Ziploc pouch, we get a spare fuse, a few inflation adapters for things like footballs, basketballs, balloons, air mattresses, pillows, etc., and a thread adapter. And finally, we have the user manual with the warranty registration sheet. Alright, now let's take a closer look at the inflator. At the top we have a bright orange carry handle. The body is plastic, which actually makes the unit lighter than I expected. On the top panel we have the LCD display. Below that are the control buttons. The plus and the minus buttons adjust the target tire pressure. The R button cycles through the pressure units. If you press and hold the R button for 3 seconds, it also toggles the LED light. The other button here is the power button, which starts or stops the pump. At the front we have the LED light and 2 power inputs for AC and 12-volt DC. Both plugs are designed differently, so you won't accidentally mix them up. But remember, only use one power source at a time. On the sides, you'll notice bright orange accents that add to the aesthetics of the inflator. Not that it matters, but it does look nice. At the bottom, there are 4 rubber legs that help reduce vibrations. And in case you need it, there is a QR code for service registration. The tire inflator comes with a short braided hose with a lockable nozzle. Let's plug in the AC power cable and test it. As soon as you connect the power, the LCD display lights up with a blue backlight. The left reading shows the target pressure, while the large number on the right shows the current tire pressure. On the lower right side, you can see the pressure unit indicator, which you can change by pressing the R button. India largely uses PSI, so we leave it at that. You can adjust the pressure using the plus and the minus buttons. And then press the power button to start the pump. You can press and hold the R button for 3 seconds to turn the LED light on or off. Set the target pressure. Attach the nozzle and press the power button. The inflator will automatically stop once it reaches the set pressure. Let's try that again, but this time I'm starting with a fully deflated tire. Notice the progress bar at the top of the display. It shows the percentage as the tire fills up. You can also use this to inflate cycle tires. Now let's try using the 12 volt power from the car. First, connect the 12 volt connector to the inflator. Now, put the car in neutral and start the vehicle first, and then connect the 12 volt connector so the inflator runs off the alternator instead of the battery. As soon as you connect the cable, the LCD lights up, and then follow the same procedure. You might notice the sound changes slightly at higher pressure. It's working harder when it reaches the target pressure. Switching back to AC power, you can hear the motor running faster and the tire inflates quicker. Another useful feature is the built-in LED light, which can be very helpful if you're stuck on a dark roadside. Press and hold the R button for 3 seconds and the LED light turns on. One thing I checked was whether the inflator could deflate overinflated tires. Unfortunately, it can't. But most inflators in this price range don't offer that feature anyways. This inflator cost me around 3,000 when I purchased it. So why splurge so much on a tire inflator when you have cheaper alternatives? Well, battery inflators are convenient, but the battery eventually degrades. 12 volt inflators on the other hand are powerful enough but require the engine to be running when you're using it. This inflator gives you both AC and DC flexibility, making it useful for stuff like inflating your car tires, bike, cycle tires, inflatable mattresses, pillows, pools, basketball, footballs, and the list is endless. And you also do not have to worry about battery dying out because it does not come with one. The only complaint I have with this inflator is that it comes with short AC cable, but you can always fix this with an extension cord. But it would have been nice if the cable was longer. Aside from that, the inflator works absolutely fine and is bang for your buck. If you are interested, I'll leave the purchase link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing. This is Pradeep signing off. Until next time, take care and God bless.